Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this vegetable sauce. With this vegetable, you can use it to eat anything. You can use it to eat rice, anything you just feel like eating, plantain, potato, and fufu as well. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 carrots, fresh spinach, fresh beef, 5 scotch bonnet pepper, dried prawns, chicken powder, jumbo, microfish, rapeseed oil, 4 fresh tomatoes, dry fish, and onions. I will start by boiling the beef with half of the onions and some seasoning for taste. I'll combine everything together, then cover it and put it on the stove to steam for 30 minutes. Now that the beef is ready, I'm just going to be cutting all my vegetables. Make sure you wash your vegetables before cutting them. Especially with this spinach, I always make sure I wash it at least up to 8 times to get rid of the sand in. I'll be heating the oil up for 2 minutes. Then add onions. I'll be adding the fresh pepper. Then combine it together and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. I'll then add the tomatoes. Mix everything together and leave it to cook for 3 minutes. I'll be adding the carrots in as well. Then stir it together and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll be adding the washed dried prawns in and the fish. So guys, always make sure you wash them before cooking them. I love washing mine because I don't know where they've been through and I don't want to eat dirty. I'll now combine everything together and leave it to cook for at least 5 minutes. At this point, I'll be adding the cooked beef. I'm going to be adding the mango as well. At this point, I'm going to be adding the fresh microfish. I'm going to be adding the vegetables in now. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you when I took the fish out to prevent it from breaking. I'm going to be adding it later and allow the water from the vegetable to cook it. Wow, look at how colorful the sauce is. I can't wait to enjoy my rice with it. I'm going to be adding the fish in, then allow it to cook for 2 minutes. So this is it guys. This sauce is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. And thanks to those who have been supporting me. If you know you haven't been supporting me, please support your sister and let's grow together. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.